Okay, the question says that we have to simplify the following expression, and before we simplify it, let me write down the De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law says that a plus b whole bar equals a bar dot b bar. Okay, so this is De Morgan's law, and it also says that a dot b whole bar equals a bar plus b bar. So these are De Morgan laws, right? Okay, so we have this expression a bar plus b bar whole bar plus b dot a bar. Now just remember this. If there is a bar over the operator, just like we have here, right? If there is a bar over an operator, then that bar can be broken down into two parts by changing this operator. So what we are going to do is a bar, b bar, and this whole bar that we had, we are going to break it into two parts by changing this plus operator to a dot. Okay, plus b dot a bar. Okay, so when we have two bars, right, we have two bars, these get cancelled. So there are two bars, one on top of the other, these get cancelled. So we are left with a dot b plus b dot a bar. Now from this we can take b common, which leaves us with a plus a bar. Okay, if a is 0, then a bar is 1, right? Or if a is 1, then a bar is 0. Either way. And this plus sign stands for the OR gate. This stands for the OR gate. So we have an OR gate with a and a bar, right, as two inputs. So when a is 0, a bar is 1. 0 and 1 is going to give us 1 at the output. So all of this expression is going to be equal to 1. So what we are left with is b dot 1, which is equal to b. So that's our simplified expression. Okay, so let's quickly try a few more expressions and apply De Morgan's law to them. See, this bar is over this operator, right? So this is where we're going to break this bar. So this is going to become a bar dot b plus c whole bar. Next we are going to break this bar from here over this operator, and this is going to become a bar dot b bar dot c bar, and that's our answer. So what if we have something like this, a dot b dot c whole bar? First we are going to break our bar from here, applying De Morgan's law, right? So this would give us what? A bar plus b dot c bar, right? Then we are going to break our bar over this operator, right, by changing the sign of this operator. So this is going to become what? A bar plus b bar, and then this dot becomes what? This dot becomes plus c bar. Okay, so let me quickly solve this also, right? So the rule is just break over the operator. So if you have a bar over the operator, just break it, right? So this is going to become what? A double bar plus b plus a c whole bar, right? Now we can break over this operator, right? And because these are two bars, these get cancelled out, so we have a plus b, and now this becomes what? This becomes dot, right? So this becomes dot because we've broken the bar, and we are left with ac with a double bar. So these two cancel out, right? So we are left with a plus b bar dot ac. Remember, this ac is being is you know, this dot is between this entire expression and this, right? So now these get multiplied. So we'll have what? We'll have AAC plus B bar AC, right? This A and A, there's basically a dot here, right? So you can think of a dot like an AND gate. A dot represents an AND gate. So with A and A as input, When A is 0, the output is 0, and when A is 1, the output is 1. So the output is always going to be equal to A. If A is 0, output is 0. If A is 1, the output is 1. So this can be reduced to A. So we'll have AC plus B bar AC. Now we'll take this common, AC common from this expression, AC 1 plus B bar. And you can think of this plus as an OR gate, right? So a plus is always an OR gate, right, in Boolean. So now one of the inputs is 1 and the other input is B bar. So no matter what the value of B bar is, whether it is 0 or 1, because you have a 1 here, the result of this OR will always be a 1. So this expression will become equal to 1. So it's going to be AC into 1, and this will give us AC as our output. So how about this? This is where we're going to break from, right? And this becomes what? A bar dot B double bar, right? This cancels out, so we are left with A bar dot B.